Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to discuss chapter 14 rectilinear figures. Rectilinear figure, what do you mean by the rectilinear figures? Rectilinear means a long straight line. Rectilinear means along straight line or in the straight line or forming a straight line. Second, a plane figure bounded by straight line is called a plane figure bounded by straight line is called rectilinear figures. A plane figure bounded by the straight line is called rectilinear figure, such as a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. A closed figure bounded by at least three lines, three line segment is called polygon. A closed figure bounded by at least three line segment is called polygon. Name of polygons, number of the sides in polygon, name. If three sides triangle, four side quadrilateral, five sides pentagon, six side hexagon, seven side heptagon, eight side octagon. Now, convex polygon. There are the two types of the polygon. One of convex polygon. What do you mean by the convex polygon? Means each angle of polygon is less than 180. The polygon is said to be convex polygon. कह रहे हैं कि अगर जो है each angle of polygon is less than 180, then such type of polygon is known as convex polygon. And concave polygon, if at least one angle of polygon is greater than 180 degree, it is called concave polygon. In a polygon of n side, the sum of interior angle is equal to 2n minus 1 into right angles, to n minus 4 into right angle. Again, in a polygon of n sides, the sum of interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 into right angles. The sum of the exterior angle formed by the polygon is 4 times of right angle, 4 right angles. Therefore, now come on the regular polygon. What do you mean by the regular polygon? What do you mean by the regular polygon? Regular polygon means if all sides and all angles of polygons are equal. If all sides and all angle of polygon are equal, it is called regular polygon. Means again, if all sides and all angles of a polygon are equal, it is called a regular polygon. A regular polygon means a polygon with first all its sides equal to each other, all interior angle equal to each other, and all exterior angle equal to each other. These are the three characteristic properties of the regular polygon. Equal to each other, equal to each other, equal to each other, equal to each other. Means first property, all its sides equal to each other, all interior angle equal to each other, all its interior angles equal to each other, and all exterior angles equal to each other. This is the characteristic property of the regular polygon. Now come on. The sum of interior angle of n-sided polygon, whether it is a regular or not, equal to 2n minus 4 into right angle means 2n minus 4 into 90 degree, and sum of the exterior angle 4 times of right angle 4 into 90 degree, that is equal to 360 degree. At each vertex every polygon, sum of exterior angle and interior angle is equal to 180. Sum of exterior angle plus interior angle 180. Each interior angle of regular polygon is equal to 2n minus 4 by n into 90, and each exterior angle of regular polygon 4 into right angle upon n means 360 upon n. Now come on the example 7 here. The difference between example 7 common. The difference between the exterior angle of regular polygon of n side and the exterior angle of regular polygon of n plus 1 side is 5 degree. Find the value of n. According to question, here each exterior angle of n sided polygon, each exterior angle of n-sided polygon equal to 360 degree by n, and each exterior angle of n plus 1 sided polygon (360 degree plus n plus 1). According to question, it equals 360 by n minus 360 upon n plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, on solving 360 degree, n plus 1 minus n upon n square plus 1 equal to 5. Here 360 degree, n cancel, n plus 1, this 1 equal to 5n square plus 5, or 5n square plus 5n minus 360, 5n, 360 equal to 0, n square minus plus n minus 37 और 5 this equal to 0, 1272 not all. this n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 degree equal to 0. n plus 9 minus 8 n plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, n plus 9 n minus 8 equal to 0, n equal to minus 9, this is not r, n minus 8 equal to 0, n equal to 8. This is number of side equal to 8. Now all of you do all the questions related to this chapter. If you have problem, ask to me.